everybody!
Hi!
Do you like bananas? And do you like banana bread?
Wow! We made one for snack today. And if you want to make one, you will find a very easy banana bread recipe in the description box.
So, we're gonna sing a recipe song today.
Okay.
And it's all about bananas.
Great!
So, we're going to peel our bananas. Put your hands on your head, in front of your head. And we're gonna peel one side and the other side.
Nice.
Alright, now we're going to slice it. After that, we're going to smash, no?
Mash it, yeah. Mash your
Mash,
bananas.
mash. Then we're going to eat them.
The best part.
Eat. And at the end, we'll have so much energy and we'll say, Go bananas! Okay, are you ready to sing with us?
Here we go!
Bananas of the world united! Ready? Peel bananas, peel bananas, peel bananas, peel banana. Slice banana, slice banana, slice banana, slice banana. Mash banana, mash banana, mash banana, mash banana. Eat banana, eat banana, eat banana, eat banana. Go banana, go banana, go banana, go banana.
Bananas of the world united. That was great.
Well done, everyone. We hope you enjoy your recipe and you have a really energetic snack.
Yay!
See you soon.
See you.
Bye.